She steady losing control.
D-Mark got that
Cause I'm on the road. But I'll be back again, yeah. I'll be back again. She steady losing control, cause I'm on the road. She steady send messages. She think I'm fucking with hoes, I'm playing with balls, but I'll be back again. I rob a deal with my nigga do steps. Bitch, we all blessed, we all have a sin. She said she love me, I ain't do no loving. She text my phone, you too celibate. Try me, little nigga, get wet up. You can get hit from your chest up. Bitch, we got gas for the pressure. Foot on her neck, so won't let up. I just gotta call my mama today. She say you getting better and better. Posting the zone where it really get cold. Little nigga better bring you a sweater. Let's talk about bands, no, I got it. I put that shit in my closet. I was just broke, I was
on the way in with Old Faithful. Got about halfway in. Only jacked it up a little bit because I didn't want to have to take the damn hood off. Tried to remove this rod, but it don't even go no farther back than when it's connected to this motherfucker, so got a little scuff right there. No, that's just some dust. But yeah, man, she going there. Look, it's gonna go in kind of easy. Had to do some twisting and turning and shit. Should have shut the camera up. So basically gonna keep these wires tucked up the way. I got them like pinched in here. Throwing it on with pretty much all the accessories. After I get it a little bit lower, I'm gonna grab the AC compressor. This is down here. I'm gonna grab that, bolt that on the side, throw the belt on. So I got the belt right there. And once I get that fully bolted on, then I'll finish setting it down. It's not too hard with these, cause you know, you just basically dropping it in the hole. If you can get it in the hole, you should be able to get it in the hole. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Making decent progress though, so I'm gonna set y'all up and let y'all watch from here.
Plugs at the back coming in for the low. You know that I'ma go ahead and cop it. Everybody know I'm the hottest. I see some shots while you're chopping. They steady this, better stop it. Cause I pull up right where your house at. Pop my shit, do whatever I want. Run on them band, put the shit in the vault. Most of these niggas be dissing for clout. Catch him down bad, put a gun in his mouth. She steady losing control, cause I'm on the road. She steady send messages. She think I'm fucking with hoes, I'm playing with balls, but I'll be back again. I rob a deal with my nigga do steps. Bitch, we all blessed, we all have a sin. She said she love me, I ain't do no loving. She text my phone, you too celibate.
Hey yo, Lorenz, what you doing?
Sticks tall, turn the rest to a brick wall, then I turn to a big dog. Oh, so slimy, I get so holla Chinese. You know it's members on, and a whole lot of killers behind me. She want a Percocet, okay. She want a flight out to LA. Close your legs, just give me your face and send you back to where you came. I got a plug out in the bay. He showing love, he want me to win. I send them killers where you stay. If you don't come out, then they coming in. I roll the wood to start reminiscing. Might send you a text and tell you that I miss you. And I know you missing high-headed slum lifestyle, how I'm living. I'm missing the chop, just look at this pitch. In the store with zombies, can't be in my feelings. I became addicted to popping prescriptions. I showed you different, can you tell the difference? My body been off, can you tell the difference? I barely been eating, just pressing my system. And barely no water, just laying up sick. I've been pressing the Lord, cause the doctor can't heal. I've been pressed to the Lord, cause the doctor can't heal. Telling me slow down, I've been tripping. Paranoid when I'm alone. I just feel safer when you near me. We let them sticks tall, turn the rest to a brick wall. Then I turn to a big dog. Oh, so slime me, I get so holla Chinese. You know it's members out, and a whole lot of killers behind me.
This the one right here, KM. Yeah. We gon' spin and spin. Options not outside, there's not no shit. When we pull up with sticks. I ain't from a gang, I ain't from no clique. Is you for a robbery? Would you take your plug down for a beat? If that's your man, would you make sure that he eat? Or finesse your friend and take the whole damn thing?
Okay, so it looks like it. I think we done at the bottom, y'all. Check.
Make sure everybody eats, or they get seeds, or treat like keys. This is not no dream.
So we made some decent progress. Just finished on my first prime. Make sure we got oil pressure and no leaks. Just gotta finish on the cooling system, man. Radiator, fans, the hose. But, for the most part, she buttoned up. I throw the coils on. So I gotta wait till I throw the plugs in. I left everything else so I can prime it up. Like I said, make sure we got that good oil pressure. Then yeah, tomorrow come out, finish it up. We should be running. Throw a little tune on there. Oh yeah, anything else that I'm missing is the AC belt. I got one over here. I don't know what happened to his, or if I cut it off when I took it off or not. But the one I got is too short, so we're gonna go order one tomorrow. Pick one up tomorrow. Yeah, man, like I said, we making good progress. Okay. Back outside. See a little more. Now that we got some daylight. I'll throw this dipstick in. Hook that in. Prime it up one more good time. Gotta plug in the brake booster. That whole intake. And throw the cooling system on. We're gonna try to fire this joint up. We ain't gonna try, we are. Let's get it. No mind this cut. This literally came off of L76. It's a 60. Man, I swear, these motherfucking sedan dipsticks be fighting. But I won though. You can see how I'm going in, go behind the motor mount. Right behind the damn motor mount. I was trying to put it in between. It's been a while, so I forgot which way was exactly routed, only going one way. So, yep, we got that in. Clean up the dipstick that been sitting.
I ain't from a gang, I ain't from no clan. Is you for a robbery? Would you take your plug down for a beat? If that's your man, would you make sure that he eat? Or finesse your friend and take the whole damn thing?
Transmission lines, like, I'm gonna have to take them off because I couldn't get to the damn dipstick. I couldn't get to the dipstick because the damn knock sensor is right there. And I had the damn knock sensor clocked like that. So I wasn't getting no room to get this damn dipstick in there. You have to see this right there. Right here. So you had to loosen that up, so I couldn't even get the damn clip off to unplug the knock sensor. The damn tranny lines in the way. Yeah, I clean these up too. It's that good old CP. It's filthy. Kind of need to do a tranny flush on this, because I did not like the way the tranny fluid smelled as I was clearing out some of them lines and stuff. So, and I cleared out the tranny cooler. So we're probably gonna end up doing a transmission flush on this joint. Like 95,000 miles, probably never had one. So, excuse little Cam over there. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna throw the rest of this on, finish this cooling system up, and I'll cut y'all back on. Well, last update. Damn nipple broke off. This side already broke off. Guess when it was stored. I had the piece so I could like JB weld and fix this one, but since the other one was broke too. 100K miles, 0 miles. Just finished transferring all over the little tabs. It's 3 in total. Pull this hose off. Slap it on the new. She running. I'm gonna keep y'all fully updated like I was supposed to. I had a few issues. Starter gave me some problems. Got it rebuilt. Put it back on. Still gave me problems. I had to get it redone again. Fix that. Radiator buttoned up. Cooling system done. Everything bled. Heater working. AC working. Pretty much just waiting on the catch can to come. Shit, I'm gonna do a little mild tuning. Just a little better drivability. At the first startup I did, the startup was so BS that way better. Fire up like stock. How you know the cam's small, I can already going dry. Alright, but ain't no tune on here or nothing. No tune. It's running good. Yeah, I'm gonna finish vacuuming it out. Cleaned out this side already. I'm gonna finish cleaning the other side out. Do a few corners. Mind you, I ain't got the bumper on. I'm trying to contemplate if I'm gonna slap it on real fast. Gonna hit some corners like this. We'll see. I was talking with the
Hit a lick with it, look like a brick on me. Never been alone. Just sit on me, roll with that stick on me. He not a fool. These niggas touch the power, bro. Nigga made a way, I'ma give it to you. My uncle got keys like he fuck with a leash. Lil' bro in the fence, they ain't tryna release. One lane, cause the nigga got a hit. That puppy, I think you got a hit. Power in the trap, big flow like a leaf. Got bounce in the attic and chops in the game. These niggas fake, they ain't never been with us. Rest in the safe, I'ma show you the man. I'm in first place, little nigga, you don't run up. Better think twice if you think about running up.
Shot going hard like the 80s. Still cutting up, bitch. I ball like McGrady. Suck a little bitch. I don't treat her like a lady. Fuck a little bitch. Now she wanna have my baby. Most of these niggas, they be faking fool gays. I ain't trusting these niggas till I know these niggas shady. Left that bitch alone, man. That bitch was too late. Steady blowing on my phone, sending messages on the daily.
Fast on sliding on the fire. Give me one, then I can't get nervous. These niggas moving no purpose. I take a risk, but it gotta be worth it. Nigga wanna tweak, better bad,